Okay, good morning guys, and you know, I wish it were a little bit better for me to actually say good morning, but unfortunately it's been a little bit of a rough start to my Monday here. I lost one of my makeup brushes that I actually need to put my makeup on, so I kind of had to make do with what I had. I couldn't find my headphones, which I need for the meeting that I'm going to. I woke up later than I had wanted to as well, and I woke up with a groggy throat. But we're hanging in there, we're staying strong, and today should be a pretty good day. So anyway, let me give you guys a quick little introduction of who I am, so you're not just like, who's this crazy girl in front of the camera for the next week. I'm Julia. I am a University of Texas at Austin student. I am a second year marketing major. And we're about to head to our first big thing of today, which is a meeting. I'm really hoping that my voice just pulls together and sticks through for the rest of the day. I took lots of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a good thing to have in college, and I think we're just gonna get going. Honestly, I wanna show you guys as much of campus as I can, aside from the rainy weather, so let's get to the video. So I am actually back early. I ended up walking back. I stopped by the University Co-op, which is what the clips before were from. The Co-op is essentially our spirit store. You can buy anything from socks to wallets to baseball caps to shirts. They even have a floor that's like all for textbooks and like school specific things. I actually was thinking of getting a binder there, but I didn't really see one that was like big enough or that really worked for my course packet for one of my things, so I'll probably just have to go to Target or Office Max or something like that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna study before my next thing, which is at 6:30, and we're gonna dress up a little bit cuter than just a t-shirt and leggings, even though it's rainy and gross and just kind of not the funnest day to be outside in. All right, just finished up doing some laundry, and now we are going to go ahead over here and we're gonna make ourselves some coffee. So I popped a little Starbucks K-cup in, and we are just gonna go right on ahead and brew some coffee. Also, I wanted to mention I got this pumpkin spice coffee. Let me know your opinions on pumpkin spice. Do you love it, hate it? I wanna hear. Hey guys, so I just got back from a fun hour-long session with UT's tech support. Salty that I had to spend so much of my evening that was supposed to be for like homework time and stuff, just talking to tech support people that couldn't answer my question. But I'm just glad to have any kind of software at all, even if I can't do everything that I need to for my class on it. But I'm really just hoping that they can get that resolved. I put together a little outfit for recruitment tonight. There's a speed dating event, so I'm gonna head over to that real quick. Okay guys, so I am just getting ready for bed here. I'm about to go hop in the shower and finally change into my jammies and get to sleep. But I wanted to film a little segment so it wasn't super choppy when I was editing this. End of Monday has arrived. The recruitment event tonight was super fun. My roommate came in clutch with a laptop that I could finally run my program that I need for homework on, so I'm so lucky that she helped me out with all of that. But tonight's pretty much over. I got a lot of my reading done, still gonna read a little bit before I hit the hay, and I really appreciate it, you guys. I'm super pumped for the rest of this week, so Hey, good morning, people. Happy Tuesday. We're just getting today off to a good start. I'm packing up my stuff for my classes today. My first one is MIS, which I'm heading to right now, and my second one is my business communications class. So pretty chill day. There's not really any like quizzes or big assignments or anything like that going on today, so gotta make sure I have my iClicker though, because we do like little in-class check-ins and stuff like that. I think that I'm just gonna be studying honestly for a majority of the day, but I told myself that I've got to get through this week if I want to go have fun and get hyped at the USC game this weekend. It's literally one of our biggest rivalry games of the year, so I'm so thrilled for it. My excitement level is through the roof. I've already been planning a game day outfit and I am just so pumped. So anyway, I'm gonna head to class over here. Just grab my headphones too because I love listening to podcasts when I'm on my walk to class. And I will see you guys at 12:30. Okay, what the heck? When did it start raining like this? What's going on? We weren't supposed to get rain today. This is so weird. Hey guys, so you remember how I said that today would be better? Well, it wasn't. My goodness, I am soaking wet right now. It was pouring rain. Like no umbrella could have saved you from it. So I just look like I got out of the shower. I'm gonna show you guys quickly. I need to keep it down because my roommate's asleep, but this is my jacket right now. Like I can actually, yep, water's wringing out of it right now, but I don't want to wrinkle it, so we're just gonna hang it to dry, and this is fun. I don't know why, but my filming setup right now looks really good. Like I feel like the whole ambiance of my room just feels very put together right now, and I honestly really like it. This is like such a YouTuber mind space right now, but I need to start shutting my mind down because it's almost bedtime. But today was just really an exciting day, and I wanted to share this thought that kind of came across my mind because it might apply to you. I went to the info session for this spirit group that I've been considering joining for quite a while now. It kind of stumbled across my mind last semester, but today just really solidified how interested I was in the group, and it's very exciting, but at the same time it's very scary because it is a selective process. I realized that this might end up meaning more to me than I ever originally intended for it to, which is good and bad in its own respective ways, but I'm just gonna really stick through it. I want to be patient. I want to see what happens. I have a 5-page application that I need to complete by Friday, which sounds really excessive. It's really not too bad. I'm pretty sure the first 2 pages are just like instructions of how to properly fill out the form. So tomorrow morning is a Wednesday, and Wednesdays are crazy days. We start bright and early, first class at 9 a.m. and then after that I've got another 2 more classes. I've got 2 hours of work as a mentor, so I'm excited. It's like the best part of my week. And after that I have a DECA meeting, so it'll be fun. I'll get to be all dressed up professional. We'll hope that it doesn't rain because I hate running around in heels in the rain. Yes, I hope that you guys get some good rest, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. What's good? Hey guys, good morning and happy Wednesday. Sorry if there's some background noise. My roommate is just showering because she's also got class, I think, no sorry, her class is an hour later than mine, so she'll be taking class like when I get back. Well, anyway guys, today is a Wednesday, which means that it is the officially busiest day of the week for me. I have tons to do today, but all good stuff. I'm very excited. Alright guys, so I am currently reading for my accounting class coming up. We're learning about, what are we learning about? Oh, investing and financing decisions as well as in the accounting system. So very exciting topic, but I just finished a really good lunch that I made for myself, and my roommate just left for class for the day, so I'm gonna be pretty busy once that class starts, because I'm gonna have that, then I go to my discussion section, then I go to work, and then I have 2 hours before my DECA meeting, which I'm gonna come back and change into business attire and all of that fun stuff. But just wanted to give you guys a quick little update, and yeah. All right, we're gonna pack this bad boy into my backpack for class. Get that, there we go. There we go. Do I need my Britlet notebook? Yeah, I should probably bring it. All right guys, so I just got done, well, I got as much done, I should say, of my accounting reading as possible. We went over a lot of it in class, so it was pretty quick to go through. This chapter just happened to be kind of long, and I'm gonna have to go through it anyway because we're getting quizzed on it next Tuesday, I found out. But anyway, I've got my planner, my notebooks, I have my poetry book, my laptop. I think that's it. I also have with me today my little peer mentoring badge, and that's pretty much all that I've got to bring with. I'm kind of ahead of schedule, so I'm just gonna, you know, slowly make my way over to class, but I'm just really crossing my fingers that it doesn't rain, because it's starting to get dark outside, and that makes me a little nervous because I don't really have a solid rain jacket with me today. Mine is in the dryer still, so I'm like, hope that doesn't cause any problems. Okay, so the soles of my shoes are literally soaking wet right now. Like, water actually seeped into my boots. And so I'm taking a hair dryer because I don't know what else to use. I'm gonna turn it on full and we're just gonna dry them off, I guess. Okay guys, so I changed out of my business attire from earlier into this fun little outfit. So I'm just wearing little denim shorts, got this fun yellow top. It was fun because I love those like little spontaneous things that you do in college. Like, that's one of the best parts of it. So a few of my friends invited me to go and get ice cream with them. So we walked over to this little ice cream place just here near campus and went over there. It was like 10 p.m. I was already like getting kind of tired, but I was like, you know what, sure, I'll go, like, it'll be fun. So I dressed up a little bit and headed over there, and I'm honestly really glad that I went. We only went for a little bit, but it was fun to just like sit down, de-stress, and talk to everybody, because today was a long day and I know tomorrow is gonna be even longer. I'm having so much fun bringing you guys with me on just like a typical uncut, unedited, unfiltered week in my life of college, where you guys get to actually like see what I'm going through. It's just really cool, you know? In your face. Good morning guys. So today we are having another busy day, and this one was uncalled for, I will say that. Originally my Thursday was supposed to be me going to class, coming back at 12:30, cooking a nice little lunch for myself, and then just quietly studying or maybe de-stressing a little bit in my room, because that is so necessary in college. But you know what? Plans change. Sometimes you get 5 meetings scheduled back to back and you're stuck in the business school for 6 hours, and that's just how life goes sometimes. Whew, we just gotta get ready, pull together, make a good breakfast so we have enough energy to get through the day, and it should be pretty good, guys.
Hey wonderful people, so I got back from a very long day today. So I literally have not been at home from probably, let's see, about 9 a.m. to now, which is 5:30. I'm so tired. But tomorrow's Friday, so I only have one class and I'm actually all caught up on my reading for it. So pretty much means that I'm gonna take a little bit of de-stress time. I'm going to a philanthropy night in about an hour. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, watch some Netflix. I have to do like an artistic thing for one of the applications that I'm working on. So I'm gonna work on that. And I'll update you guys once I'm getting ready for the event.
So unfortunately, my roommate is going back home today for the weekend, and I'm really sad about it because I'm just gonna be like by myself. I actually am going home today because I wanted to just spend some time with my family. It's like really windy outside though right now, y'all. I like can barely. Okay, so anyway, I have a final load of laundry going on over here, washer and dryer, and it should be done in enough time for me to unload it and switch it out before I gotta roll. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pack up my laptop, my makeup, just whatever I'm pretty much gonna need tonight while I'm at home. So catch you guys on the flip side. That's the phrase, right? On the flip side.